Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu graham. We're taking a classic dessert and giving it a delightful twist using graham crackers instead of ladyfingers. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of graham crackers. Break them into manageable pieces, roughly halves or thirds. Next, brew 1 cup of strong coffee, like espresso, and let it cool completely. This will be our dipping liquid. Now, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. In a large bowl, combine 500 grams of mascarpone cheese with 100 grams of granulated sugar. Add 4 large egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Gently whisk these ingredients together until just combined. In a separate bowl, whip 250 milliliters of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks, then carefully fold it into the mascarpone mixture until smooth and airy. It's time to assemble our delicious dessert. Quickly dip each graham cracker piece into the cooled coffee, ensuring it's coated but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these soaked crackers at the bottom of an 8 by 8-inch baking dish. Spread half of your prepared mascarpone cream evenly over this cracker layer. Repeat this process, adding another layer of soaked graham crackers and then the remaining mascarpone cream. The final, crucial step is chilling. Cover your tiramisu dish tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours. For the absolute best flavor and texture, I highly recommend chilling it overnight. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Slice and enjoy this delightful, easy-to-make dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.